As you saw with the modeling with the candy cane, it's really fun to model with the cookie dough so you don't have to pipe it. And if you really want to use a butter recipe, it's really easy to model with it. So what I have here is this is the no-fail sugar cookie recipe. Okay, and what I did is color this. It's real butter recipe, and I can model with it instead of piping. It's a little more time consuming because I think piping is a lot faster, but the results are just as cool. So I've got, and so you can see this is a lot firmer. I've got 5 different colors. This is violet. You can use royal purple, electric purple, or violet. Just make sure you get enough of it so it doesn't look gray. Okay, and you're going to grab just a little bit of each of these. Now I try using the orange and it doesn't come out very pretty. With the butter recipe, the orange just looks kind of brownish, so I didn't really care for it. So if you grab just a little bit of each of these, this is a lot of fun. And you can't help but smile when you make these cookies because they're so much fun, all these colors. We're going to make some rainbow cookies. And I like this because this is a butter recipe, the no-fail sugar cookie. It's a butter recipe, so it's tasty. Well, the spritz is really tasty too. But okay, so what I'm going to do is just kind of roll these into a short little log type thing here. If it's sticky, you can use some flour. If they won't stick to each other, use a little water to attach them. But basically, I'm just going to take the colors, if I can figure this out, figure out how to do a rainbow. Okay, so I'm just going to take them and put them together, and then I'm just going to wrap them. So now they're round like this, like a ball. Okay, and press together, and then I'm going to roll. Whoops. And if they don't stick together, you can use a little water to get them to stick together. Sometimes they, will, and sometimes it won't. It all depends on your lighting. I seem to be having a little bit of a problem here, but I don't have a problem at home. Okay, let me grab a little water because they're coming apart, and I don't like that. Everybody stay together. Okay. See, now it's staying together fine. Yeah, it works. Okay, and you roll it out. It's breaking a little bit, and again, that's because of the lights. All right, so you don't want it too long. This is long enough. You get a spatula, cut that off. And what you're going to do is roll opposite directions. And it breaks, yeah, that happens. So, especially in the lights. But you see, opposite directions, and you get kind of a rainbow twisty guy. My dough is a little dry because of the lights. You won't have this problem. And then you coil it up. And this is a really large cookie. Boy, is it large. Like so. And yours will not crack because you won't be under heavy lights. And then you stick the cookie stick in it, and you have, it's going to be a beautiful rainbow pop.